Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss from HC Verma's book, Chapter 3, Exercise Problem. The Chapter 3 is Rest and Motion Kinematics. We will discuss from problem number 15 to problem number 20. So let us deal with problem number 15 first. It says a train starts from rest and moves with a constant acceleration of 2 meters per second squared for half a minute. The brakes are then applied and the train comes to rest in 1 minute. Find the total distance moved by train. Number 2, the maximum speed attained by the train. And number 3, the positions of the train at half the maximum speed. So initial velocity is given as 0. Acceleration is 2 meters per second squared. Let final velocity be v, which is before applying brakes. Now t is equal to half a minute, that is 30 seconds. So applying the formula v is equal to u plus at, we get v is equal to 60 meters per second. Now for question number 1, we calculate s1 as ut plus half at square is equal to 0 into 30 plus half into 2 into 30 square, which is equal to 900 meters. This is, and this is equal to 0, right? When brakes are applied, u prime, which is v, is equal to 60 meters per second. Now at later time, v prime is equal to 0, t prime is equal to 60 seconds. That is when the train comes to rest. So s2 becomes v prime square minus u prime square by 2a prime. So a prime becomes minus 1 meter per second square. The negative sign indicates that it is deceleration. So s2 is equal to 0 minus 3600, that is final velocity squared minus 60 meter per second squared by minus of 2 into 1, which is equal to 1800 meter. So total distance s is equal to s1 plus s2, which is equal to 2700 meter, that is 2.7 kilometer. Now the second problem of this question is the maximum speed equals to v, which is equal to 60 meter per second. And the last part is half the maximum speed is equal to 60 by 2 is equal to 30 meter per second. So distance is equal to v square minus u square by 2a, which is equal to 30 square minus 0 square by 2 into 2 is equal to 225 meter from starting point. This is one of the desired distance. Again, when it accelerates, the distance traveled is 900 meter. Then again it decelerates, as we have seen, and attains 30 meter per second. So distance is equal to v square minus u square by 2a. In this case, a is minus 1. So calculating, we get distance is equal to 1350 meter. So position is 900 plus 1350 meter, which is equal to 2.25 kilometer from starting point. Now let's come to question number 16. It says a bullet traveling with a velocity of 16 meters per second penetrates a tree trunk and comes to rest. That is, final velocity becomes 0 in 0.4 meter. That is, s is given. Find the time taken during retardation. So here u is equal to 16 meters per second, v is equal to 0, s is equal to 0.4 meter. So we can calculate the retardation. A is equal to minus 320 meter per second square. It is acceleration. Negative acceleration means it is decelerating. So the time is equal to t is equal to v minus u by a is equal to 0 minus 16 by minus 320. Calculating, we get 0.05 second. It is the desired time. Now let's deal with question number 17. A bullet going with speed 350 meter per second enters a concrete wall and penetrates a distance of 5.0 centimeter before coming to rest. Find the deceleration. So here u is equal to 350 meter per second, v is equal to 0, s is equal to 0.05 meter, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So A is equal to v square minus u square by 2s is equal to minus 12.2 into 10 to the power 15, 10 to the power 5 meter per second square. Negative acceleration means deceleration, so deceleration is 12.2 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second square, which is the result answer. Now let's come to question number 18. It says a particle starting from rest moves with constant acceleration if it takes 5 seconds to reach the speed 18 km per hour. Find the average velocity during this period and the distance traveled by the particle during this period. So here u is equal to 0, v is equal to 18 km per hour is equal to 18 into 5 by 18 meter per second, which is the conversion rule, is equal to 5 meter per second. T is equal to 5 seconds. Therefore A is equal to v minus u by t. Calculating, we get 1 meter per second square. Therefore S is equal to ut plus half at square. After calculating, we get 12.5 meter. Therefore average velocity is equal to S over t, that is 12.5 by 5 meter per second is equal to 2.5 meter per second, and distance S is equal to, as we get, 12.5 meter per second. 12.5 meter. Sorry. Now let's come to problem number 19. It says a driver takes 0.2 seconds to apply brakes after he sees a need for it. This is called reaction time. So reaction time is 0.2 second. This is the reaction time of the driver. If he is driving a car at a speed of 54 km per hour and brakes cause a deceleration of 6 meter per second square, find the distance traveled by the car after he sees the need to put the brakes on. So here u is equal to 54 km per hour, converting it to meter per second, we get 15 meter per second. A is equal to minus 6 meter per second square since it is deceleration. V is equal to 0. Now v square is equal to u square plus 2s, negative acceleration. A. So calculating, we get S is equal to 75 by 4 meter is equal to 18.75 meter. Before that, in reaction time, the car moves with constant speed u for time 0.2 second, as we have desired. So S0 is equal to 0.2 into 15 meter is equal to 3 meter. So total distance is equal to 3 plus 18.75 meter is equal to 21.75 meter. Now let's come to the last problem for this video. It is given a table. You can check it from the book or can take a screenshot. Now to solve this, we get for A and driver X, we get u is equal to 54 km per hour, which is equal to 15 meter per second. V is equal to 0. So A prime means the acceleration, which is negative acceleration, so minus 6 meter per second square. So V square is equal to u square plus 2a prime s. So S is equal to v square minus 2a u square by 2a prime is equal to 0 minus 15 square by 2 into minus 6 is equal to 19 meter, which is equal to A, as it is named in the question. Therefore B is equal to 0.2 into 15 plus 19 is equal to 22 meter. So let's put it here. A is equal to 19 meter, B is equal to 22 meter. And all the other problems are solved in similar way. You can take a screenshot of this. So let's put these things in the table. E is equal to 15 meter, F is equal to 18 meter, C is equal to 33.33 meter, D is equal to 39.33 meter, G is equal to 26.67 meter, and H is equal to 32.67 meter. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel and share this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you.